Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos at home without an oven. First, gather your favorite tortilla chips, cheese, and a variety of delicious toppings. Make sure to prepare your toppings by chopping vegetables and cooking any meats beforehand. You'll also need to decide if you're using a microwave-safe plate or a stovetop skillet for the best results. For the microwave method, begin by layering your tortilla chips, cheese, and prepared toppings onto a microwave-safe plate. Don't overload it. A single layer works best for even melting. Microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the cheese is perfectly gooey and melted. Finish with your favorite cold toppings like salsa or guacamole. If you prefer the stovetop, arrange your chips and toppings in a single layer in a skillet. Sprinkle a generous amount of cheese evenly over everything. Cover the skillet with a lid and cook on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. This gentle heat will melt the cheese beautifully and warm your toppings without burning the chips. Once your nachos are ready, garnish them with fresh cilantro, sliced jalapenos, or a squeeze of lime for an extra burst of flavor. Serve them immediately to enjoy the warm, gooey cheese and crispy chips. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cheese blends and topping combinations to create your perfect homemade nachos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.